welcome to my channel. Daniel in Dublin. Today busy day for me from early morning because I was to change my battery in a car, and now I'm in Ikea because Ikea is quite close, and I decide to buy some plastic bags from Ikea. You know, my favorite ever is the plastic bags, where I mostly keeping my clothes for the travels, but also for food. We just do really quick jump to Ikea for the bags, and slowly we will back to Bray because today is supposed to be 18 degrees and sun. I still believe Britas Bay have a great weather. Hopefully is great weather there, and I don't want to lose my time walking and do shopping. Okay, that was the fastest shopping in Ikea ever. I have a bags. I bought 3 sizes by 2 just in case, because I don't want to come back here. It's very far from my work, from my home, from my workplace. Why I prefer to run to Ikea just one time per like 3 months and have a lots of bags for long time. Okay, now where is my keys? Because I need to put this in my car. My car clean like never before, and slowly I'm run to Bray. I'm checking forecast right now for Bray and for County Wicklow, County Wexford, and unfortunately will be rain today. I'm so surprised because supposed to be amazing weather, but what we can do. I don't have a plan for this evening because today I want mostly rest and enjoy. Was very busy weekend for me. Tomorrow I need to back to work, and my next day off is on Wednesday. Tomorrow it's big, very important, super VIP party. I need to make something absolutely stunning for that function. But today, weather it's shite. What we gonna do? I still thinking I supposed to go to the beach even for walk, because I will feel amazing, and the power and energy from the beach give me extra power. And I have my super seat. I have my beach chair. I can use this beach chair. I have a wind stopper as well. That means I'm kind of prepared for the beach. I don't know. I need to think about this. On the way to Bray I will think about this, because I still have a 40 50 kilometers from here, and I will decide later. Quick visit in McDonald's. I bought the ice cream because I just want ice cream. I don't know why. It's not even that warm to eat the ice cream, but first thing in my mind when I saw McDonald's, ice cream for euro, amazing, the best ever. Okay, I'm already in Bray. I drive quite fast, but I decide to go to the beach. I'm afraid it will be rain and it's cloudy, but I believe in my lucky, and I know I will have great weather on the beach, and I want to try this luckiness right now. See you on the beach very shortly. I'm not on the beach yet, but I have a sun and I have a blue sky, and I'm super happy. As always, I'm super happy I can spend few hours relaxing on the beach. Actually, I need sunglasses now because sun getting stronger and stronger. I don't know how it's possible, but it's cloudy and it's dark and it's bad. Just only in the place when I am right now it's blue sky. Look, everywhere around it's lots of clouds. Just above my head it's blue sky. It's so funny. It's so funny, but I'm really grateful. I have a sun only for myself right now, and sun getting stronger. Really, it's amazing. I spent good few hours on the beach. It was really nice. I found dune where there was no wind at all and blue sky. Now I see very dark black cloud in front of me, and I think that will be very strong rain and time to come back to the car as soon as possible. And on the way back home, maybe subway, we will see. It was a really good time. I really enjoyed time on the beach today. I finished jogging already. It's 8 o'clock and slowly I want just rest and lie in my bed, work on the vlog from today and go to bed as soon as possible because I'm working tomorrow. And tomorrow is a very busy day for me. I start from 1 o'clock. Maybe I will wake up early if weather will be nice. I will be on the beach before work, but that we will see tomorrow. I bought in little watermelon. I just want to cut watermelon, make orange juice for tomorrow, and I want to go to bed. I show you how I'm cutting watermelon.